Hello. We have had on the channel lately a couple of knockoff Disney sets. You remember Patisney or whatever it said? But this time I'm treating you. It's a real Lego set. Lego Disney set number 43249, the 9 plus set. Stitch. So let's crack this up and see what's inside. And then let's get on with it. So what have we got? Like the colours. 1, 2, 3, 5. The Manuel. 4, 7, and 6. Oh. Some stickers, I'm guessing they're for his shirt. Okay, so that's the box empty. So looking around the box, first of all, you can make Sad Stitch or Happy Stitch with his ice cream. And his heads and his ears move. Okay, well, we'll see that in a minute. So what have we got? We have got 7 bags. Not many pieces in each bag. A sticker set, and we have got a manual. Which is... how many pages is it? 158 pages long. So I suppose all that's left to do is let's go over to the computer, see how much this costs if you want to buy it. This is on offer quite a lot of the time, this. I think we got it just over Christmas on a special offer. But anyway, we'll do that. Then we're going to go and do a time lapse, and then we're going to build it. So, let's crack on.
So, where can you get Lego set 43249 Stitch? Well, here we are. We're on the computer. We'll show you where you can get it from. 730 pieces. And from the Lego.com website, it is available now at $59.99. But that's not the only place you can get it. This is very readily available and for a good price as well, considering it's a Disney IP. So there's a Lego website. In England, you can get it from Smith's Toys as well at £45. I think when I got it, or when Santa got it, I should say, it was $39.99. We got it from Asda. But yeah, £45 in Smith's. In Argos, it is £60. It's actually more expensive than Lego. Typical Argos, you go from the sublime to the ridiculous with their prices. Very is £45. And again, you do get your 20% voucher if you decide to use your first time purchase offer voucher that you get when you sign up for the 3 months representative APR. And then we've got B&M as well. B&M, which is a kind of bargain shop in the UK. They've got it for £45 as well. So if you want this set, it's been readily available. It's not limited edition. That's where you can get it from. That's enough of me waffling on. Let's get into the time-lapse speed build and see what it looks like to put together.
Well, that was the build. Really nice build. The bags, all those 7 of them, not the biggest amount in each bag. That's simple to build. Took about an hour overall. So what do you get? Well, it's a nice big set. There's plenty of detail in Stitch. You've got the ice cream there as well, which we'll put to one side for now. The detail in his jacket or his Hawaiian shirt is really nice. These are all stickered bits, these. So if you don't like stickers, then it's not great, but it's just cute. Look at him. His head moves pretty freely. And his ears are manipulatable. And that is a word, manipulatable. So it's really nice. It's a really good big set. It sits nice with the Simba sets that they brought out as well. And it goes in with the Disney theme. These are printed pieces. So there are no stickers here, so they're printed, so they're quite nice. And the back, he's got his colours on his head and his shirt goes down. The back's a bit misshapen, but he's sat down, I suppose. And it looks nice, all sat down. He can grip the ice cream. It's just a really nice display piece. I don't know whether you've all seen these before, but, you know, we've got Big Stitch, Little Stitch. In fact, some might say, oh, I broke that, but we might say Big Stitch, Little Stitch, cardboard box. Big Stitch, Little Stitch, cardboard box. Big Stitch, Little Stitch, cardboard. That's quite enough of that. But yeah, so this is the original Lego Stitch that we've got. And then we've got the AliExpress special Stitch as well. All the pieces that come are about half size, give or take. So you can see the differences in it. I mean, they are going to look nice together, I suppose. Yeah, it's look nice next to each other. The original Lego one, I think we paid about £40 for it in the sale, but it is nice. Plenty of detail. It's really colourful. Some really unique colours as well in here, and a really unique pieces as well. So it's a nice part piece if you want it for that as well. It's a nice part set. But there you go. There's my very quick review of the Lego Disney Stitch. Let me know about down below if there's any other sets that you'd like me to look at, or if there's any AliExpress sets that you'd like me to see. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.